9, 5, what? 21. And what do we have? The Dow Jones, the YME mini futures contract on an hourly chart. And we can see where the resistance, there it is. There's a trend line. We can see where the pop down was. We can see where the volatility was. There it is now. Bam. You can see the reversal. So right now the US markets are closed, and we all know that. And what do I mean? US exchanges are closed. However, the futures market right now tells us how the markets around the world and how US markets will trade, what trade management will be for profitability only now. Ask yourself that one, pal. Nonetheless, that's what everyone is working for. So we make it simple, and we make it easy, and we make it here, and we make it now. And if you're willing to do the work and you have money and you have a trading account, we'll show you how to be direct to the marketplace, but we'll show you what sentiment is around the world. So you have worldwide sentiment, and then you have US and different countries and what their mindsets are. But it's still one big engine on how equities and option markets are going to trade. Believe me, that I do know. After 35 years of doing this, my friends, well, go ahead, do it every day, all day. Okay? So it's an hourly chart. I'm going to show the S&P 500 E-mini. Here, the E-mini had rallied up, but then we got to this 60-minute where the downtrend channel happened. Now we have tested it, as you see the arrow of that resistance, and then if I draw a trend line right here, well, that is going down, not up. So that is where we're at. Now, our futures that you see for this day, which is a holiday tomorrow, it's based on what the rest of the world is doing by buying and selling certain equities that would make these futures go up or down. They're flat. There's nothing to be concerned about, but we would like everyone to know what the beginning of the seasonality change will be. And if I were you, I would not ignore that. You can if you choose to, but you will notice it in your profit and loss statement. And that is my guarantee to you. So avoid that. Let's avoid that and work with what we need to do. Trend channel, price channels, volume channels. There's lots of different things that tells us how markets will trade during a holiday period. This is the holiday period. It's here, it's now. I'm taking my time because I trade futures every day, all day. I use it to hedge portfolios. I use it for volatility. I use it for a lot of things. Because if you understand all the things that I know after 35 years and what futures really are about, that is what dictates what markets and what people are going to be doing. And it will. And it all comes down to price, volume, channel. And that part is never deceptive. It never lies. It's raw. It's pure. It's everything. And it's here. And it's now. And it's for who? It is for you. So when we take a look at the NASDAQ 100, it's up 1 point. But we could take a look at the lows of where that resistance was. That is where the high, and then this part of it is where that trend channel went down. And now that we've come up, and old-fashioned what? Resistance, okay? So just by me giving you the introductory is the most important and relevant thing that you're ever going to learn. And if I were you, if you want to learn the mechanics and you want to understand the market and you want to know how it functions and what its heartbeat is, what its pulse is, then I would sign up for the free 5-day trial and become a champion right here and right now.